This is Cleveland Outdoors, and this is the blizzard of 2015. It is January 27th. I'm probably wrong. I just looked at the calendar. I already forgot. So it's January 27th. You can't see much. It's a big blob of white. My dad's down there on the tractor. And I got the ruler out. We're going to measure. It looks intimidating when it's all piled up. Even if you look at the side, I can't see it on the camera screen, but I can see it in person. So we're gonna measure. So that's new and old snow. It's I guess 17 and a half, just about. You can judge for yourself. That's that there. I was gonna joke around and measure over there. I guess let's go check out the animals. How you guys think of the snow, huh? No comments. What's up? I don't even know if they can tell that there's a difference. This is funny. What do you guys think of this?
They're hungry. I'll feed them.